guys, so we got this Xhp90 flashlight from AliExpress and it was $42 Australian or like 23 US or something. Took about a week and a half to arrive. Supposedly has about 5,000 lumens, which is comparable to car headlights. And it's got like a focus mode on it, so we're just going to take it for a walk at night time and give it, show it off a little bit. Let's go. So that's what it looks like. Bit hefty. It's got a nice big heat sink on there. You guys like that? So let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so it's actually quite bright tonight, at least right now. So we're gonna walk down here. So let's take a look. This is focus mode. So now we turn it into the wide area mode, wide angle mode. Wow. Turn it off. Can't see anything. So this is the Xhp90 flashlight. Link is in the description if you're interested. So we just got it from AliExpress. Danger. We're just walking down to the waterfront.
What's that?
Hey guys, so this is the flashlight, that's what it looks like. And it's got 3 modes, so full power mode, 50% mode, still quite bright, and then the seizure mode. This is very good for blinding birds when they attack you. We have plovers in Australia, we just shine this at them if they try and attack us at night and they can't do anything. So another cool feature of this torch is very special feature. It's not even listed. So let's say you're looking around like this. Yeah, I'm looking around. Yeah. And you see something that you want to focus on, you go, what's that? Okay, it's okay. What's that? Hold the light like this, like that, and then you just flick it, like that. So it's, you know, it's quite a skill, you got to learn it, but yeah. And you can also do things like this, okay? Like peace shadow, right? Peace shadow, thumbs up shadow, pick up in the trees. So, yeah, we can even see the trees up here, and we can shine into people's houses if we don't like them. So I put some light on myself so you can see me. Yeah, that's the Xhp90 flashlight. It's like 42 Australian, 23 US, something like that. So if you want this one that I got, links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.